Okay, I just wanted to start with a converting units of time mini lesson today. So first, what we need to remember is that 1 minute equals 60 seconds and 60 minutes is an hour. So as long as we can remember those things, we should be able to do all of our conversions today. So first, it says to complete the table, to convert the units of time from minutes to seconds or seconds to minutes. So we're just completing the table. The first one they did for us, so they told us that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So then now we have to think, okay, so if we have 120 seconds, how many minutes is that? Okay, well, I happen to be able to kind of do that in my head, and I can say, well, 60 plus 60 is 120. So I know that that's going to be 2 minutes. Okay, and then when I look here and they say, okay, well, 4 minutes is how many seconds? Well, 1 minute is 60 seconds. 2 minutes was 2 times 60. So 4 minutes would be 60 times 4. And I'm going to write that out because I'm not able to do that in my head. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is 24. So that's 240 seconds. Okay, now also if you are a math student and you are noticing, hey, well 2 and 4 is twice that, so this would have to be twice that. If you notice that, that's awesome. I don't typically notice that, I have to do the math part for it, but if you notice that, you're definitely welcome to do that. Let's look at another problem. This one says convert 360 seconds to minutes. Okay, well, I know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And I have 360 seconds, and I need to know how many minutes that is. Okay, so I'm looking at this and thinking, okay, well, I know that 6 times 6 is 36. So 60 times 6 is going to be 360. So I know that down here, if I want to make these equivalent fractions, I'm going to do times 6. So 1 minute times 6. So that's going to mean this is 6 minutes. Okay, another way that you could think about doing this is saying, okay, I have 360 seconds, okay, and I need to divide that, okay, by 60. And figure out how many times does 60 fit into 360. Okay, so again, you're going to have to do the math for that. So I'm going to try 60 times 6, and I get 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 6 is 36, excuse me. So that would be, it fits in 6 times. Okay, and again, we get 6 minutes as our answer. Okay, let's try another one together. Compare. So now we have 8,000 seconds and 2 hours. Well, seconds is the smallest possible frame of time. And so I'm going to try to change my hours into seconds. Well, first of all, 2 hours, okay, if I have 2 hours, I know that that's going to be 60 minutes and 60 minutes because an hour is 60 minutes. So I know that right now, this is 120 minutes. Okay, now I still can't compare yet because I have seconds and minutes. So now I have to change my minutes into seconds. Well, to do that, I know that there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. So I have to do 120 times 60. 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, and then put my 0 down. 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 more. So I know that that's going to be 7,200 seconds. And then I can go ahead and compare now because this 1 seconds and this 1 seconds, and I can see that 8,000 is going to be bigger. Okay, so go ahead and grab a piece of paper and then click on the next YouTube video and we'll do some practice.